Welcome back to the Auto Luxury Today. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into its stunning exterior, timeless interior, exhilarating performance, and why this car still holds a special place in enthusiasts' hearts. Let's jump right in. Exterior. The Alfa Romeo GTV is a masterpiece of automotive design. This is the 105 Series GTV, introduced in the mid-1960s, but the 1972 model retained all of its signature styling cues. The long hood, short rear deck, and aggressive stance give it a purposeful yet elegant look. Up front, we have the distinctive Alfa Romeo Scudetto grille, flanked by round twin headlights, a hallmark of classic Alfas. The chrome bumpers add a touch of sophistication, contrasting beautifully with the bodywork. Moving to the side, the proportions are simply perfect. The GTV sits on classic 14-inch Campagnola wheels, wrapped in period-correct tires. The slightly flared wheel arches hint at its sporting intentions. The iconic step nose design was phased out by 1972, but the overall shape remained timeless. At the rear, the clean taillight design and subtle badging complete the look. The lightweight construction, courtesy of Bertone, ensured that the GTV was as aerodynamic as it was stylish. Interior. Step inside, and you're greeted with an interior that blends simplicity with driver-focused ergonomics. The seats are upholstered in high-quality vinyl or leather, offering excellent support for spirited driving. The driving position is nearly perfect, with a large wooden steering wheel and a thin rim, three-spoke design that feels just right in your hands. The dashboard features a classic twin-gauge setup with a large speedometer and tachometer. The auxiliary gauges, placed in the center console, provide vital information like oil pressure, fuel level, and water temperature, essential for any enthusiast who enjoys pushing this car to its limits. The aluminum shift knob sits atop a precise 5-speed manual gearbox, a delight to use. The cabin may be minimalistic, but it exudes a sense of purpose. Even the door panels, with their simple pull handles and armrests, emphasize function over excess. And let's not forget the sound. Turning the key and hearing that legendary twin-cam engine roar to life is an experience in itself. Performance. Under the hood, we have Alfa Romeo's legendary 2.0-liter twin-cam inline-4 engine, producing around 130 horsepower and 137 Nm of torque. That may not sound like much today, but in a car that weighs just over 1,000 kilograms, 2,200 pounds, it's more than enough to have some serious fun. The twin Weber carburetors provide an unmistakable induction sound, making every throttle input a joy. And with a 5-speed manual transmission sending power to the rear wheels, the GTV offers an engaging and rewarding driving experience. On the road, the GTV's handling is sublime. Thanks to its double wishbone front suspension and a well-tuned live rear axle, it corners with precision and balance. The steering is direct, giving you a true connection to the road. 0 to 60 mph comes in around 8.5 seconds, but straight-line speed isn't what this car is about. It's about the experience, the way it responds to your inputs, the sound of the engine climbing through the revs, and the sheer joy of driving something so pure. So, what makes the 1972 Alfa Romeo GTV so special? It's not the fastest car of its era, nor the most powerful. But it embodies everything we love about classic motoring: beautiful design, an engaging driving experience, and an emotional connection that modern cars struggle to replicate. Whether you're an Alfa Romeo enthusiast or just someone who appreciates vintage sports cars, the GTV is a timeless classic that delivers passion with every drive. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more classic car content. And let us know in the comments, what's your favorite vintage Alfa Romeo? Until next time.